How to remove DuckDuckGo search from Google Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove DuckDuckGo from your Google Chrome. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you need to open up your Google Chrome, and once you search anything on the Google Chrome, you can see that you have been directed to DuckDuckGo. You need to simply go to the three buttons located in the top right corner next to your profile picture. Simply click on that and this will open a drop down menu. From here you need to scroll down and click on settings. Once you're in the settings, in the left hand side you can see the several options. You need to simply click on search engine. Once you have done that, you need to click on change option over here. Then you need to click on Google, and once you have done that, you need to click on set as default. Now that you have changed it, let's go and search again. Now you can see that you are on the Google homepage. And that's it. It's that easy to remove DuckDuckGo from your Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.